Hello, FYE scholars. So I'm going to briefly be going over showing you the steps to complete the laptop application for those of you who are interested in receiving a free Los Angeles College Promise laptop. Before I go into the steps, I do want to make clear that completing the application does not guarantee that you receive a laptop. It is very important that you complete the requirements that we have outlined to you, such as registering for a summer transition activity, also known as GPS, in addition to registering for 12 units, etc. So let's go ahead and get to the application. So the first thing you want to do is sign into your portal, and then you want to click Key Links and Help. From here, you want to click Scholarship, and then you want to hit Login here. And now you want to click Continue, or in your case, it's going to say Begin or Start Application. So you're going to start the application, and then you're going to go ahead and complete the series of steps. And then from here, when it comes down to receiving your laptop, after you completed the requirements, we're going to be actually notifying you through your student email. So it's very important that you do get in the habit of checking your student email, as that is how we're going to communicate with you in regards to when and how you can pick up your laptop, in addition to all of our other communications moving forward. Okay, everyone, have a great one.